What makes SMC New Zealand and Australia different is that we have a real focus on local manufacturing. We also have significant inventories, and we pride ourselves on our supply chain and ability to get product to market quickly. From small beginnings to the innovative company that we are today, SMC prides itself on being customer-centric. SMC puts the customer first, and it's right at the heart of what we do. We have our local manufacturing facility to support them. We also work with them in terms of design and R&D to bring a product that they need to life. From the conception through to the final product, we nurse and nurture you all the way through that process and make sure that you get what you need.
SMC, being the #1 global manufacturer of pneumatics, has spent a lot of time and research in developing new products such as the D-series mainline filtration units. Air filtration is one of the most neglected parts of a production facility. It's really important to have good air filtration in your main line and take-off lines, along with pre-dewatering, which is done through dryers. The SMC new mainline filters that they've developed has enabled us to do so in a much smaller package and gain better efficiencies and easier maintenance. So these things can be replaced with the twist of a bowl, no tools required. If you have an ISO standard for your air filtration, then SMC is most likely going to be able to meet that standard. So it's just a matter of talking to someone from SMC to determine what's required and provide a solution that meets your standards.
The key aspects of SMC's approach to safety is basically speaking the customer's language and being customer-centric. The requirement from a customer comes from basic levels of saying they need so many functions or performance levels which are to be satisfied, and we provide them based on working with them and saying we adhere to the standards, which is basically an ISO standard, and to help them achieve different levels of safety. And the other main aspect is that we also give them flexibility to say what stage of design they are in. Whether it's something to say they already have a machine in place, we'd like to add on safety as a part of it, or where they're doing an initial design, we want to be implementing safety from the very beginning. Customers look to SMC for safety advice and products, mainly because of the flexibility we provide. You see on this side, the one machine here is basically saying there is a machine which is already in place and safety will be an add-on to it. This is option 1. The option 2 is where we're using ProfiSafe, which is a very new implementation of safety via a PLC. And here the part where safety is implemented is in the very beginning stage itself. So we are providing this safety as a flexibility option for the customer to choose which side or what cost they have or which aspect of the safety they will want to implement. Both of them have the same levels of safety, but it depends on which side the customer would like to lean on to go for the machine building process.